before you watch this video any further, let me inform you something very important. We are about to reach 200 subscribers and that is a very great milestone for us. On the occasion of 200 subscribers, we are doing our first Q&A video. So for that, you can put your questions in the comment section of this video and all those questions will be answered in our first Q&A video which we are going to release soon. So help us to reach 200 subscribers and comment your questions in the comment section below. Due to technological advancement that we have achieved over a period of many years, we successfully have discovered a lot about the universe and its origin. But life on Earth started almost 4.5 billion years ago and we have very limited knowledge on what caused the life to form. And much of the evidence that how it may have developed has actually been destroyed by the very own life it created. We do not have time machines, but scientists are seeking for planets in the solar system that emulate the early Earth to know more how life was formed. And that's where Saturn's moon Titan comes into picture. NASA has announced that our next destination in the solar system is the unique, richly organic world Titan due to its similarity with the early Earth. The mission is named Dragonfly. Know more about this mission and how we will get to know the origin of life with it in the video. So be sure you are there till the end. Due to its massive distance and densest atmosphere of all the moons, it is impossible to study Titan accurately from Earth. Successful attempts to study Titan were made in the past. The collaborative Cassini-Huygens mission landed on Titan and sent 135 images back to Earth, extending its original mission of 90 minutes. It was the farthest successful landing mankind had ever achieved. But NASA didn't stop there. Advancing our search for the building blocks of life, the Dragonfly mission will fly multiple sorties to sample and examine sites around Saturn's icy moon Titan. Dragonfly, manufactured by the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, will launch in 2027 from Cape Canaveral in Florida with the help of Vulcan Centaur rocket. It will arrive at Titan in 2036 at Shangri-La Dune Fields. Dragonfly is a rotorcraft which will fly to dozens of promising locations on Titan, looking for prebiotic chemical processes common on both Titan and Earth to provide clues to how life may have arisen on our planet. It will explore diverse environments from organic dunes to the floor of an impact crater where liquid water and complex organic material, the key to life, once existed together for possibly tens of thousands of years. The probe has got pneumatic drills and spectrometer-like instruments to collect and examine the samples. It also has a camera on top which will take beautiful panoramic images of the moon and send it to Earth just like we get from Mars today. It sounds like science fiction to fly a robotic rotorcraft over the dunes of an alien moon, right? But if successful, we could successfully peek into the history and understand better about the origin of life. That's all for today's video. This was the story of NASA's Dragonfly mission and we will catch you up in the upcoming video. Till then, keep exploring.